Hello everyone, welcome back to Math with us. In this video, we are going to learn how to multiply rational numbers. I have taken few examples. Now in order to multiply the rational numbers, we have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Let us start with our first example. In the first example, we have been given negative 7 over 8 multiply 5 over 6. So, in order to multiply these rational numbers, we have to take the numerator together with the multiplication sign in between. So, negative 7 times 5 and the denominator together with the multiplication sign in between. So, 8 times 6 in denominator. As we don't have any common factor between numerator and denominator, we'll get negative 7 multiplied 5 as negative 35 and 8 times 6 is 48. So negative 35 over 48 will be our final answer. Now let us move to the second example. We have been given 16 over negative 21 multiply 14 over 5. So here also we will multiply numerator together 16 times 14 and negative 21 times 5 in the denominator. Now here we find common factor as 7. So 7 times 2 is 14 and 7 times 3 is 21. So we'll get here, we are left here with 16 times 2 in the numerator and negative 3 times 5 in the denominator. So we will have 32 over negative 15. Now here we have negative sign in the denominator, so it will come in between. So negative 32 over 15 will be our final answer. No matter where we have in the whether negative sign in the numerator or denominator, thus we can write the sign in between and we'll get the final answer in negative. Now let us move forward to our third example. In third example, we have been given negative 5 over 2 multiply negative 4 over 11. So here also we have to take minus 5, negative 5 and negative 4 together in the numerator and 2 times 11 in the denominator. Now here we find 2 as a common factor, so we'll do cancellation. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. Now here negative and negative sign will become positive, so we'll have final answer as 2 over 11 as a final answer. Now let us move to the fourth example. In the fourth example we have been given 5 over negative 12 multiply negative 6 over 20. Now we have to take this numerator together and denominator together. So 5 multiply minus 6 negative 6 over negative 12 multiply 20. Now here we find that this negative in the numerator and negative in the denominator sign will turn to positive. Now here we find a common factor 6. 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 2 is 12. Now here one more common factor, 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 4 is 20. So after cancellation we are left with 1 times 1 in the numerator and 2 times 4 in the denominator. So 1 by 8 will be our final answer. In this way, we can multiply any rational number together. I hope this video is useful to you. Please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.